make you fall in love. Just step back and watch me work at it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another mukbang. As you can see, today we have a little soul food, comfort food going on. So we got some baked macaroni and cheese, some cabbage with some turkey sausage, and we have some fried fish. So let's get us a thumbnail. And then we got some Crystal's hot sauce. So let's get us a thumbnail. Yep, that'll do. Hold on. Alright guys, we're back. Like this. It's a little glare from the ring light, but you know it is what it is. About to make it do it. And to drink, we got some dry grape ginger ale. Let's say grace day. We're gonna dig it. Dear Heavenly Father, please bless the hands of my prayers, possess the nourishment of my body, and in Jesus' name I pray, amen. So yeah. So this meal was requested by the family. And you know, of course, you know, me being the person that I am, cooked it all. So yeah. And I decided to make my macaroni and cheese a different way this time, which surprisingly turned out great. But I kind of think I added a little bit too much butter when it was time to make the roux. And yeah, but overall it turned out good. I can honestly say that. Like, this is my first time ever trying Crystal's. Boy, this joint was amazing. Yep. Hot sauce down first. Then we add the ketchup. How y'all eat y'all fish? Do y'all do ketchup and hot sauce? Do y'all just do hot sauce? Gotta have some ketchup and hot sauce. Like, here in New York, but on the Grand Concourse, there's this place called Chicken and Seafood that you get you a fish sandwich for $3, but you add an extra piece of white bread. You get 2 sandwiches because they give you 2 pieces of fish, same size as this one, with 2 pieces of bread. If you ask for extra bread, that's 2 fish sandwiches for the price of 1. Yeah, and this cabbage, like, I see my niece make it, and I fell in love. So y'all know, y'all can just, this one is how I made it. I just got 2 bags of the coleslaw and sauteed up some turkey sausage with some butter, and then threw the cabbage in, seasoned it with some pepper and sazon. There you go. Y'all want some? Got a little bit of steam left on it, but still good. And that's just cabbage and coleslaw. Cabbage and carrot. They do have a blend with the purple cabbage. Yeah, not everybody's a fan of purple cabbage, so got the original. Got some baked macaroni and cheese. I'm sorry, the quality on this is not looking too great, but I know it looks great on my end, but from watching, it's like, it looks dull. And I done adjusted this so many times. So, yeah. Yeah. This steam went out fast. It was piping hot by the time I turned on this camera. But, you know, it is what it is. It's still good. And it still has a nice little crunch. This is one way to get cabbage year round. Get coleslaw. And it's super easy to make. Let's get into the fish. And this is just some tilapia. Nothing special, fancy. Like, whoever created this crystals is amazing. Like, I've had all brands of hot sauce, but this one I actually like. More than the others. I feel as if Louisiana is not as hot to me. Maybe that's Texas Pete, but this crystals is amazing. I kind of wish I would have got three bags of the coleslaw instead of two, because cabbage is a staple in my family, as well as collard greens and candy yams. Like, I love collard greens, but I don't like my collard greens salty because that just makes me not want to eat them ever again. And that's just me, for real, personally. I hate some salty greens. Whew. That was a close call. Like, of all the ginger ales, this was my second favorite. You know what I really love? The black cherry one. That's amazing. Don't get me wrong, I will drink every last can there is of ginger ale, but right now, the black cherry is my favorite. Like, the white peach tastes just like white peach for real. But black cherry hits different. And I'm mad that they only sell it in like the 2-liter bottle. And then they put it in can form. At least I haven't seen it. But yeah. It tasted good the first day. And even better still. That's one thing about leftovers. They still bust. Only thing missing is some cornbread. And I'm about full too. This was so good. That's one thing about macaroni and cheese. You can eat that year round. Thank goodness I know how to cook, because boy, everybody's food is not all that. And I'm not saying I'm like the best cook in the world, but I haven't had any complaints. And as you can see, this plate is clean. Clean. So good. And we need to get on napkin. Good eats for real. Like I would have did a cooking video, but the day when I cooked this, I had a lot of running around to do, and it was raining, so I just wasn't in the mood. Oh, I would have did one, but yeah. Super good and filling. Great comfort food. To kind of make you want to take a nap after you finish. But anyways, I'm done as you can see, so I'm going to get out of y'all here. And thank y'all for stopping by. Like I said in the previous video, I don't know how consistent I'm going to be on this channel, but I do plan on, getting back to filming more mukbangs. Definitely challenges, because I have not done a challenge in months. And I said I was going to do them off camera, but never got around to it. Let's just start. I just wasn't feeling it. But I am going to try. I don't want to put no date on nothing because, then you're obligated. But at the same time, I do want to get back active on this channel. Because I'll be active. I just don't be on this channel like that. Now, my other two channels, of course, I'm always on them, watching videos and whatnot. But this channel is like once in a blue moon. When I remember to post a video or a short, then I'm over here. But other than that, for the most part, the other two channels is where I spend most of my time. But I went through this for all three channels, so there's nothing new to me. I just got to find my way back, because I went through it literally with all three channels. I went like missing in action, with posting, not being around watching videos, because I do that on a daily anyway. But yeah, let me not start talking y'all to death. The food is done. That's what I came here for. So yeah. With that being said, give me a like, and I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.